Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, we're gonna make Apple Crumble Tarts. So, let's begin! For the filling, we will be needing 4 apples peeled and diced, 1/4 cup white sugar, 1/8 teaspoon nutmeg, 1 teaspoon cornstarch, and 1/3 cup of water. Let's start the cooking. So now guys, we will put the water. Apples. Now we will put the sugar, cinnamon, nutmeg, and lemon. Now we will stir, and we will let it simmer. After that guys, we will put half teaspoon of cornstarch para lumapot, to make it thicker. Now ita-transfer na natin yung apple filling sa lalagyan, and then we will let it cool for about 20 to 30 minutes. Tapos ilalagay na natin siya sa tart shells. Okay? So, let's wait for about 20 minutes. Share ko lang guys, dun sa cornflakes, this one, I'm using this one. Actually, favorite namin to ng sister ko back in the Philippines. Kasi ano siya, cornflakes, may ano na siya, honey itself, and then may almonds. Favorite namin yung almonds, kaya ito. Itong ginagamit ko. Actually, pang breakfast ko siya, pero dahil Pilipino tayo, rice is life. So, minsan rice, or parang gusto ko lang ng light meal, dun tayo sa cornflakes. And by the way guys, if you like, kung meron kayong gustong dish or recipe na gusto nyong ma-share ko sa inyo, just comment down below or PM lang kayo. Gagawin natin para sa inyo. Actually guys, nag-iisip ako ng story time. Wala akong maisip. Wala akong ma-share na kwento. Ano ba yun? Yeah, wala. Or if meron man, last Saturday nag-film ako ng IKEA and Walmart, and then may kasama na rin siyang grocery haul and tipid tips, grocery tipid tips. So before ma-upload to, yun muna ang i-upload ko. Sana lang sipagin ang lola nyo na mag-edit. So, ayun. Yung tipid tips is nagko-couponing. Actually, yung nasa description box yung link ng mga coupon sites na makaka-save talaga kayo. Actually, yun, in a past like how many months? 3 to 4 months, yun yung, 3 to 4 months, yun yung ginagawa namin ng husband ko. Nag-coupon ako. Kasi malaking savings siya, for example, like, $10. Ano na din siya, malaking bagay na din siya, lalo na ngayon pandemic. Tapos, diba? So, wait lang guys, papakita ko sa inyo yung mga coupons ko. Ito siya guys, look, ang dami. Diba? Merong $2 off sa Dove any products. And then itong pinaka-favorite naming mag-asawa actually. $1.50 for Tostitos, either chips or salsa. Actually, gumamit na din kami ng how many coupons? 2 or 2 or 3 coupons last grocery during yung pinilm namin na para dun sa Tostitos. Kasi, favorite namin mag-asawa is watching movie and then gusto namin may chips, tsaka may salsa, o kaya gagawa ko ng guacamole. Kaya next time, if gusto nyo guys, turuan ko kayo ng recipe ko ng guacamole. If gusto nyo lang naman, just share it. Yun lang naman yun. So habang pinapalamig, while waiting for the apple to cool down, gagawin na natin yung crumble. Then guys, don't forget to preheat your oven to 375 degree Fahrenheit. And then, now we will be doing the crumble. For the crumble, we will be needing, diba, syempre may commercial muna. We will be needing 3/4 cups of flour, 1/4 cup of golden brown sugar, 1/4 cup of butter melted, 1/4 cup chopped walnuts, 1/4 cup cornflakes with almonds and honey. So now, ilalagay na natin tong flour and then the butter. Halo-halo lang. And then, ilalagay na natin tong sugar. Yan, ganyan lang. Halo-halo. And then, ilalagay na natin tong cornflakes. Yan. Ika-crush lang natin siya. Ganyan. Para lang may crunchy yung crumble natin. And then the walnuts. 75-degree Fahrenheit. And here you go, guys. Our apple